So here on the left I have my Ubuntu server. Specifically I'm using WSL or Windows Subsystem for Linux, but it can be any Ubuntu server. Let's now install the Apache server on this Ubuntu server. And if we now check the IP address of this server, we can use it to access Apache on this server. And we get back the Apache 2 default page. Now, by default, we access Apache on port 80. This is the default port for accessing web pages. But if we want to access Apache on a different port, it can easily be done. First, we need to edit the Apache ports configuration file. We will use nano to edit this file. And in this folder, there is a file called ports, ports.conf. Let's edit this file. And where it says listen 80, I'm simply going to change it to the port I want. Let's now save the file with Ctrl S and exit with Ctrl X. Next, in the Sites Enabled subfolder, we're going to find only one file. That's the default configuration file, and we need to edit it as well. And here I'm going to change the port of the virtual host from 80 to the port I want to use. And make sure that you use the same port you used before. And once again, I'll save the file with Ctrl S and exit with Ctrl X. Let's now restart the Apache 2 service with systemctl. And if I now try to access the website on the default port, it's not going to work. But if I change the port to 8080, we can see the website on this